Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer videos to After Effects using Adobe Media Encoder, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer videos to After Effects using Adobe Media Encoder, start by opening your video project in Adobe Premiere Pro. Select the sequence or video clip you want to export. Navigate to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Export and then choose Media. This will open the Export Settings dialog box. In the Format drop-down, select Adobe Media Encoder. Next, choose the desired preset for your export, ensuring it matches your project requirements. Click on the output name to set the destination and file name for your exported video. After setting up the output name, click Queue instead of Export. This will launch Adobe Media Encoder with your video queued for export. In Adobe Media Encoder, you can see your queued video in the queue panel. Review the settings in the queue to ensure they are correct. If necessary, adjust the export settings like format or resolution. Once everything is set, click on the green play button in the upper right corner to start the encoding process. Wait for Adobe Media Encoder to finish processing your video. Upon completion, the video will be saved in the location you specified earlier. Now, open Adobe After Effects. To import the video, go to File in the top menu. Select Import and then choose File. Browse to the location where your encoded video is saved. Select the video file and click Open. You will see your video appear in the project panel in After Effects. Now you can drag the imported video into your composition or timeline. With these steps, you have successfully transferred your video to After Effects using Adobe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.